once I killed my Game Boy because I was not aware of the polarity of the wall charger. If you can see it right here, it is plus in the middle and minus in the outside. So I plugged it, I found something that fit right there, but it was the opposite way around, and it killed my Game Boy. I will want to show you how I fixed it and brought it back to life. So I started to look for the fuses, and after checking some of them, I found out that this one, if you can see, F1 fuse, was blown. I know that this is not the ideal solution, but for me it was okay to get it back to life and keep playing. So I bridged it with a small wire, and after that the console just started, and it's working. Yes, and also, if someone would make the same mistake again, to stick here something that is not belong there, probably it will fry the whole thing and will be dead for good. Okay, I will just put it back. As you can see, it is working. But a disclaimer, I'm not a professional or anything like this. Use this video at your own risk. But I hope I could help someone. So if you think that your Game Boy is dead, maybe it is worth a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.